Hi boat fans, this is Tim from Boatshed Brighton for a look around this Prout Snowgoose 37 Elite starting aft. As you can see, we've got the dinghy on the davits. I'm on the after deck at the moment with access to the outdrive. Just walking over to the starboard side. I'm turning around, a quick look into the cockpit there. All lines laid aft, wheel steering, lots of instrumentation. And now I'll move up along the starboard side to the really quite huge coach roof and side deck. Lots of hatches for lots of ventilation, and you'll also notice lots of windows around as well, so the interior is very light and airy. Just step down to the foredeck, which has lots and lots of space. Big locker there, a few bits and pieces, and also the gas locker. An anchor that's nearly new and really quite large. The sails look in decent order too. So going over to the port side, nearly new life raft, several years left in that before she needs servicing. And then, as you can see, nice bright big coach roof. And I'll walk aft along the port side now, back to the cockpit, big spray hood, and I'll let you have a look into the cockpit from the port side. There you go. So this is Tim from Boatshed Brighton. If you'd like any more information, there are plenty more pictures, videos and virtual reality at boatshedbrighton.com.